This video will talk about how to use a Keurig. You'll need a Keurig cup, obviously the Keurig, and then a cup of water too. So first you'll push the power button on the side, and then you'll lift the top lid and pour the cup of water into the top. There's a couple different options for the size of drink you want. So there's a 10-ounce cup, an 8-ounce cup, and a 6-ounce cup. So this one just came up to the 8-ounce cup, so it'll be an 8-ounce size. Then you'll lower this lid and lift this section here, and that's where you'll put the Keurig cup into. So you insert it just like that, put your cup underneath the machine, and then close it so it's all the way down like this. And then the brew button will start lighting up. So you'll press that, and then the machine will start to heat up the water, and once it's ready, it will put the water through the Keurig cup, and the cup will fill up with whatever drink you've chosen. So mine will fill up with coffee. And then once it's done filling up, the machine will just stop lighting up, and you can leave it, and you'll have your cup of coffee ready.